Hi, I'm Sean and I have a learning disability. I use a health profile. It's a booklet about me that gives healthcare staff like doctors and nurses important information about me, such as how to communicate with me and what help I need when making decisions about my health. The information will help them give me the care I need at the right time. I find it helpful to use my health profile when I go to any appointments in the hospital or in the community, like my GP surgery, dentists, or opticians. By reading my health profile, staff will know how they can best support me. For example, I need people to take time to explain things to me. It can help make my appointments easier and a more positive experience for all. I can fill it in myself or ask someone who knows me well to fill it in, such as my family, friend, support staff, or community nurse. I keep it up to date and remember, take the health profile with me to all my health appointments.